Hi guys, welcome to Meg's Toys and More, and today we're going to be showing you a short clip of the Disney Studio Tram Tour. This video shows special effects of behind the scenes. Enjoy! This tram is very long. I think it's like 100 people there. Whoa, we're getting to their special effects. I can't wait. What's happening right now? Whoa, it's a special effect rain. You might see behind the scenes. How is that possible? If you can see that up the top there's rays coming out of rain. The trains start to rock. It's like an earthquake. What's gonna happen next? Look at that, there's a fire. An explosion came. What? Guys, if you were here, you would feel the hotness. It's real fire. So this is how they do it in the movies. Look at the water. There's so much. Where did that come from? I can't even see anything. It's just water. This is so cool. It's like a waterfall. So cool, guys. I wonder what the next one's going to be like. When you're watching movies, you never know. They might be filming it in a studio. So this is a scene of destroyed London town. Can you see the train in the background? It's falling off the bridge. This looks like a great background for movies. Oh wow, another explosion? Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, click on the notification bell on, and don't forget, what effect did you like? Bye! And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Bye!